Welcome to this course on Buddhism's Four Noble Truths. These are the four basic teachings that all schools of Buddhism hold in common, and they are also the foundation for all Buddhist doctrine and practice. And whether you're a spiritual seeker, or you've been doing mindfulness for a long time and you want to go deeper with your practice, or you're getting interested in Buddhism and want to learn more about this tradition, this is a good place to start. I'm your instructor, Claire, and I want to explain to you why I think the Four Noble Truths of Buddhism are more relevant now than ever. They're 2,500 years old, so you might be wondering, what does this have to say to our modern life? But if you think about how fast-paced things are, and how often we're told one way or another that we're not enough, we're not adequate, we need to buy this, or we need to have that, or we need to go to this exotic destination, and then we'll really arrive, the Four Noble Truths really speak to all of that. Those Four Noble Truths are, first of all, that as long as we are not enlightened, so in other words, as long as we don't fully understand the nature of reality and the nature of ourselves, we're necessarily going to just never quite be satisfied with our lives the way they are. The second noble truth is that this dissatisfaction with life has a cause, and that cause is not fully understanding the way things are and wanting them to be different. We either want to get something or we want to keep something away, but we're never quite just completely satisfied with the way things are right now. The third noble truth is that there is an end to this dissatisfaction with life, that we can wake up, become fully enlightened, and not have any dissatisfaction or suffering or anything lacking in our lives ever again, which sounds amazing. And the fourth noble truth is that there is a path for us to get from our current unenlightened state to this completely awakened, totally blissful state, and then it lays it out in 8 steps. So you can see that this tradition is really all about diagnosing the human condition, which is that we're not satisfied with our lives, and then offering us practical solutions. So in this course, you're going to find not just a video for each of the Four Noble Truths, but also a guided meditation practice and a reflection question. And all of that is designed to help you go from an intellectual understanding of the material to really taking it to heart, using it to change your life, using it to relate to other people and even to yourself differently, with more compassion, more clarity, more awakeness, less autopilot in your life. So basically, even if you're not oriented toward enlightenment, it's a path toward a richer, fuller, happier, more compassionate life. And who doesn't want that? If you've tried reading or learning about the Four Noble Truths before, you might know that it can be a little bit of a daunting topic to start learning about. And that is why I want to present this to you in very clear, simple, easy to understand and apply language. I actually started practicing Buddhism in 1997. I've been teaching meditation since 2004. I got my PhD in Tibetan Buddhism from Rice University in 2015, so I have a long track history and kind of a deep dive, academically speaking, into the topic of Buddhism, Buddhist beliefs, Buddhist practice. And what I want to do is to take all of my own experience and translate that into an introduction that's easy to understand, but it's also really based on a thorough knowledge and familiarity on my part with the materials. So I hope you'll join me as I explain what the Four Noble Truths are and how to apply them to your life to really get benefit out of them. I hope to see you in the lessons of this course, and I hope that it will benefit you.